Welcome to Traditions Pennsylvania Dutch Restaurant and Bakery, where you discover value that's not found just anywhere, like a few of Tradition's homemade Pennsylvania Dutch specials, starting as low as $8.99. Homemade pot pie, thick homemade noodles, potatoes, and ham. Or Pennsylvania Dutch chicken cordon bleu with ham and melted Swiss cheese, plus special chicken gravy. Or a hearty slice of Mom's meatloaf made in Tradition's kitchen. Entrees come with 2 sides and a slice of fresh bread baked in-house. At Tradition's, it's truly homemade.